To be a very small video, I just wanted to share one thing. Like I am in college and you can see this. The background is from my college. So basically, I wanted to share that recently Vishal actually got the time to get an internship, and he actually applied for an internship and he got an assignment. You know what happened? He actually stayed wake up until 5 a.m. in the morning, and he did that particular task. And what it shows, no matter who you are, no matter how much you do that, मैं हिंदी में बोलता मैं मैं सिर्फ ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि ना इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि देख भाई उसने काम कर लिया, जितना भी उसने अचीव किया था वो सेम चीज़ वो उतने टाइम में अचीव कर सकता है। एंड विथ 10 पॉइंट उसने इतना सारे CGPS कलेक्ट किए, उसका बहुत कुछ है। उसने CGPS कलेक्ट किए, उसने CGP के साथ में उसने हमेशा खेला है, उसके पास में फ्रेंड्स बहुत सारे, उसके पास में अच्छा रेपो है जो उसने सब लोग के सामने बनाया, ठीक है। और मैंने पूरे टाइम से उसे सपोर्ट किया है, फिर टाइम पास किया, ठीक है। इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि टाइम पास करने के साथ में मतलब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट किया है। मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट किया है, जो भी मैंने अभी तक अचीव किया है वो उसने एक दिन के अंदर अचीव कर दिया। एक तरह से देखे तो अगर उसको ये इंटर्नशिप मिल जाए तो इसका मतलब ये वो इस इंटर्नशिप में और ज़्यादा सीखेगा। मेरे जैसा नहीं कि वेब स्क्रैपिंग करेगा, वो एक्चुअली में बहुत कुछ सीखेगा अपनी इंटर्नशिप में। और उसके बाद में वो जब इंटर्नशिप में बहुत कुछ सीखेगा तो फ्रंट एंड उसने ऑलरेडी कर चुका है, उसने ऑलरेडी फ्रंट एंड किया हुआ है, ठीक है। और उसने एक दिन के अंदर फिग्मा फाइल को 5 बजे तक बनाया, याद रखना। वो कॉलेज से घर आया, घर आने के बाद आर्टिकल कंप्लीट किया। उसने आर्टिकल कंप्लीट करने के बाद में उसने उसने घर आया, आर्टिकल कंप्लीट किया। आर्टिकल कंप्लीट करने के बाद में उसने ट्यूशन लिया। ट्यूशन लेने के बाद में जो हेल्प करता है घर पे उसने हेल्प किया। उसके बाद में उसने प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट कर किया बनाना। भले ही चैट यूज़ किया, कुछ भी यूज़ किया, उसने पूरा का पूरा अपनी इंटर्नशिप का प्रोजेक्ट बना लिया और उसका प्रोजेक्ट सच में अच्छा दिख रहा था जो उसका टास्क था। देन उसने पूरा टास्क कंप्लीट कर लिया 5 बजे तक जाग के, और वो भी सबमिट कर देगा। इफ़ ही गॉट सिलेक्टेड, देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन मी एंड हिम। मैंने खाली कुछ भी किया है, मैं सिर्फ यही बोलूँगा कि वर्क सुपर हार्ड, क्योंकि लोग काम कर रहे हैं, तू काम नहीं कर रहा है, ये याद रखना। प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट करती है भाई। प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज़ नॉट टेम्पररी हैप्पीनेस, वो बहुत कुछ देर से ले लेगी। और यही सेम चीज़ मैं बताऊँगा, जो लोग काम अगर तू और जिन लोग से तू सोच रहा है कि ये लोग ऐसे बहुत बड़े हैं, इन लोग के जैसे मैं कैसे बनूँगा, हो सकता है, बस ज़्यादा काम कर। सिमिलरली जैसा कि विशाल करना, इसका पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट भी, बट एक नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट हमेशा करना। वर्क सुपर हार्ड, वर्क योर एस ऑफ, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, 5 मिनट मर जा बैंक, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, काम कर। मैं ये सच बोल रहा हूँ भाई, ये चीज़ मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। इसलिए मैंने इंग्लिश पहली बार इंग्लिश के हिंदी में आया, क्योंकि इससे बेटर मैं फ्रेम नहीं कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उसको भी अच्छी तरह से फ्रेम कर देता है। एंड तू सोचता फिर भूल जाता नहीं। इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, काम कर भाई, इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं तेरे को ही बोल रहा हूँ, अगर तू सुन रहा रहेगा भी, ये फ्यूचर वर्जन के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ। एंड प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना। Well, I hope that you are watching this video again, and I'm resuming the video that I had recorded in the morning. I recorded a video in which I shared the message about my friend whose name is Vishal, and I shared how much effort he is putting into his work. He actually wake up until 5 o'clock in the morning and completed the assignment that has been shared by an internship opportunity to him. The biggest thing is that I don't know how much you will be able to understand this, but again, you need to actually believe this thing. Ki, uh, you actually need to believe this thing that if you think कि you are not be like basically मैं एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ कि if you think that you are putting some extra work, that extra effort, always remember anyone can replace you, and it's actually very possible. You just see this, right? There is a guy in our class. His name is Vishal, and he actually completed all the tasks just in one sitting, and he was sick, and he was able to complete the task that was assigned to him as a part of the internship assignment, right? He has scored 10 pointer consistently, and he is even applying for the internship. He is doing DSA in aptitude and all. And what's the difference between me and him? Nothing, right? There is some difference, but it will be minimal if you will see this in the longer run. Same thing happens with my friend. His name is Sachin. He, I had a great discussion with him. He actually shared that he's been working since ninth grade. Uh, he shared his incident. He shared how much he was curious about all the opportunity that has been shared to him. No matter what the opportunity is, he basically took all the he basically said that no matter what's the opportunities, he is actually grabbing all of them since ninth grade. He shared that um, once he was in the school in ninth grade, there was a startup which came to their college, uh, and they provided the opportunity for the students to actually record a video about a particular concept uh, within 1 week or maybe 1 day, and they need to upload that video. And for uploading one video, he used to earn 150 rupees, and that's how he used to earn those money. Using that particular amount of money, he used to generate his first income. After that, he actually won a challenge known as Viz Googler, and and he actually got selected as second, and he was second in the complete uh, competition. His school even provided him a laptop, and he even went to the he even went to Pune for the drone training program. And after that, he joined, uh, and he did all of this thing just to earn money. When he was in ninth standard, he said that he was. He said that he was not actually very great at he said that he was not actually great at studies. Even though he said this, he scored 84% in his 10th standard. More to mention about this, he even shared this thing that when he won that competition, he got 25,000 rupees or maybe 20,000 rupees from the base Googler, and after that, he actually get a chance to learn the drone technology. While being in the Pune for 1 week, he went to the Pune, and a college actually sponsored it, or college actually sponsored that. He went to Pune, and when he learned about those technology, he come back and started doing the freelance, and he started working at a different company. Again, he started working for the different company. When he get into the diploma when he get into the diploma, he started working at a digital market company in CST. He used to actually work there. He used to work there, and he used to earn 5,000 rupees per month. And the main reason for him to do that particular job is uh, to actually get a better laptop. His company actually provided him a laptop in which he can actually uh, work for the digital marketing, content creation, and social media management. So he used to do that work, but when he get that laptop, he started learning Flutter, and the this actually increases, and this shows how much he was in niche and how he actually get all of those things. Uh, the thing is, when we say this, we don't have opportunity and everything else, he actually did he actually literally think about this. He actually did a digital marketing internship just to get a laptop that he can use to learn Flutter or other programming language. The laptop that he got is from the company, and he was actually using that laptop uh, for uh, actually he was actually using that laptop for learning Flutter, and that laptop was provided him to actually do social media management, account management, and all. But he did that, and he leveraged those technologies. Same thing when he was he, when and again he collaborated with Mumbai Dabawala to actually make an app for them. He actually wrote the code for that. He attended different hackathons while being in the college when no one was there. When he get into our college in the second year, he actually went to many hackathons. In the second year, he actually uh, I don't know the name, liquid something. This was the repository who actually developed the Google Earth. uh, it is an organization who actually developed the Google Earth, and he was actually contributing there since 2 months for the GSOC, and he ended up not getting into it. But again, he was actually doing that thing, right? He also shared that when he was in diploma, he used to woke up at 4 o'clock. There is a building in front of his stall. He used to deliver the milk packets into those buildings, and after that, he used to actually help his father. He used to help his father for with his work. His father is a vendor, so he used to work along with his father to help him. And after that, he used to go to college. After going to college, he used to go to CST and maybe skip some days. And he also used to skip college for some day. Used to code when he came back to home, and all of those things. There are tons of people out there who are really working so much hard. I just I just talked to him, and this made me really feel very shitty, right? Cause he's there, he's putting his 100% since ninth grade. If he is not been like, if 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 he's not been able to, uh, if he is not, what we say, deserving, then who is, right? He is deserving, he will get the success, right? Think about this, he is working so much hard since his ninth standard, take his 10th in diploma, first, second, third year, and after even that, he also worked so much hard in his second year. He did not opt for the placement, still he's earning so much well in this particular field. He actually shared his uh, schedule, and it's really tough. He have attended so many hackathons, and he is attending so much hackathons, and the main reason is to actually get the exposure, to earn money. The main reason behind doing all of these things is to earn money, and he is earning, right? He's earning those things. He actually shared when he do something which he already knows, which he already knew, it become very it become very, what we say, boring for him to do that thing. Still he do that thing. And he actually spent very few of his time on internet. And this shows something. What it shows, it shows that literally he is doing so much great in his life. I can do the same, but again, uh, it basically means that I need to put more work. There are tons of people who are doing the same thing.